Welcome back to Drone Tech Today. I'm Cell Tech Guy, and today we have an incredible innovation to share with you, the K6Max mini drone.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stop.
The K6Max mini drone is not your average quadcopter. It features three 4K cameras with wide-angle lenses capturing stunning visuals from different perspectives. With optical flow localization technology, the drone maintains precise positioning and stability during flight, ensuring smooth footage even in challenging environments. Safety is paramount, and the K6Max mini drone has a four-way obstacle avoidance system, allowing you to fly confidently without collisions. The drone comes with an intuitive remote control, providing responsive flight controls and easy access to different modes. With an impressive battery life, you can enjoy extended flight sessions and capture more incredible footage. Whether you're a filmmaker, traveler, or drone enthusiast, the K6Max mini drone is a game-changer, combining professional-grade features with user-friendly operation. So if you're ready to elevate your aerial photography and experience the thrill of flight, check out the K6Max mini drone. Links in the description below. That's all for today's episode of Drone Tech Today. Like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting drone content. Fly safe and see you in the next video.